Replacing a broken inner display can easily cost you hundreds of dollars after just one awkward slip. That is why finding the most protective Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases ever made requires looking beyond basic drop ratings to see which armors actually safeguard the delicate hinge mechanism. Explore the top-rated recommendations linked in the description below to shield your device. The number 7 product on our list is Case Magsafe Drop-Proof Case. Most foldable phone owners lose their expensive device not from simple table slips, but because weak magnetic car mounts fail during sudden braking. If you rely on heavy magnetic wallets or vehicle mounts, standard slim covers simply lack the holding power to secure an 8-inch display. That is where the Case MagSafe Drop-Proof Case changes the equation by embedding 38 high-grade N52 magnets that generate over 7 times standard magnetic attraction, locking your hardware firmly onto any magnetic accessory. Here is a crucial installation tip you should know. Applying your case frame before laying down the built-in screen protector ensures perfect edge alignment and eliminates lifting along the delicate hinge. Unlike traditional multi-piece covers that leave the central spine vulnerable or bulk up your pocket, this design integrates 18-foot drop defense with shock-absorbing corner airbags into a comfortable, non-slip matte profile. While the translucent frosted back looks refined, the sheer magnetic pull can make detachment from tight car mounts slightly stubborn with one hand. Yet, if you demand specialized armor that takes drop isolation even further, the next option elevates spine protection. At number 6 is Nillkin Aramid Fiber Shockproof Case. Thick, bulky armor cases often make pocketing your expensive foldable feel like carrying a heavy brick, while fragile thin skins leave delicate camera lenses exposed to deep surface scratches. If you travel frequently, sliding your unprotected phone into crowded bags creates micro-abrasion risks that permanently ruin photo clarity. The Nillkin Aramid Fiber Shockproof Case solves this frustrating dilemma by fusing lightweight 1500D aerospace Aramid fiber over a high-impact airbag perimeter. Here is a hidden operational insight that makes your daily travel much easier. The translucent sliding camera shutter doubles as an adjustable viewing kickstand and allows optical sensors to scan QR codes directly through the protective shield without opening it. Unlike standard heavy-duty shells, this military-grade weave keeps your device profile slim while retaining full magnetic charger alignment for driving setups. The only real trade-off is that operating the sliding lens shutter requires noticeable thumb pressure until the mechanism loosens up with extended use. Yet, while this sleek Kevlar weave balances tactical durability with pocket convenience, Position 5 elevates drop isolation even further with an unexpected mechanical hinge advantage designed for extreme environmental hazards. At number 5 is Tongate Wallet Full Hinge Protection Case. Carrying both a separate wallet and a heavy phone setup often forces you into overcrowded pockets or exposes sensitive credit card chips to digital skimming. Most traditional wallet cases fail on foldables because they leave the central spine vulnerable during drops or lack side-angle screen privacy. The Tongate Wallet Full Hinge Protection Case solves this daily dilemma by embedding a concealed RFID blocking compartment for 4 cards directly inside an automatic rebound hinge shield. Here is a critical operational trade-off you must keep in mind before buying. Because the rear card vault and signal shielding layer completely disable wireless charging capabilities in exchange for total physical and digital security. Unlike slim magnetic covers that prioritize wireless pad charging over utility, this heavy-duty dual-layer armor combines a built-in privacy filter with a discrete kickstand for hands-free desk viewing. If you prefer carrying essential credit cards without managing extra pocket bulk, this integrated vault offers incredible daily convenience and peace. Still, Position 4 introduces an engineered structural advancement that takes drop impact dispersion and total armor balance to an even higher level of daily protection and refinement. At number 4 is Supcase Mill-Grade Protection Case. High drop impact can easily shatter delicate internal screen flex cables, leaving owners facing massive repair bills, even when external glass appears completely intact. Most heavy-duty cases compromise flexibility by locking you into a fixed display style, forcing you to choose between high transparency or privacy protection. The Supcase Mill-Grade Protection Case solves this structural vulnerability by combining 15-foot certified drop isolation with interchangeable front frames. Here is a major advantage you gain. You can instantly swap between 95% clear HD tempered glass for vibrant media viewing, or switch to a high privacy filter that completely shields sensitive work documents from side onlookers. Unlike bulky covers with flimsy kickstands, this design incorporates an N52 magnetic core, pushing 1,500 grams of holding force alongside a multi-angle fold-out metal ring stand. The only noticeable downside is that the dual frame mechanism slightly increases front bezel depth, requiring slightly more deliberate edge swipes during gesture navigation. Still, Position 3 pushes engineering limits higher, with an incredible dynamic advantage designed for absolute convenience. The third one on our list is UAG Mouve XTE magnetic case. Repeatedly rotating kickstands on heavy foldables often wears down loose hinges over time, causing your phone to abruptly tip over during critical video calls or desk use. Most protective shells force you into rigid, preset viewing angles that strain your neck during extended work sessions. The UAG Mouve XTE magnetic case resolves this persistent frustration by housing a fully rotatable 360-degree metal kickstand ring that doubles as an ultra-secure finger grip. Here is an essential design insight. Embedding the magnetic array directly into the polycarbonate backplate, rather than applying it externally, prevents magnetic friction from wearing down surface coatings over years of heavy accessory attachment. Unlike rigid dual-layer designs, this featherlight chassis combines air-cushioned corners with precision side texturing to deliver mil-spec drop safety without adding unnecessary hand fatigue. The slight compromise to keep in mind is that the open hinge layout requires relying on the included internal adhesive strips for a permanent flush fit. Yet Position 2 introduces an even more impressive total coverage approach that elevates structural isolation and screen protection to unmatched levels. On number 2 is Torras Q3 Spin Magnetic Case. Most foldables suffer from wobbling on flat desks due to awkward rear hinges, making typing or drawing almost impossible while lying down flat. If you frequently view recipes or conduct video calls, standard pop-out stands easily loosen and fail to balance the wide, unfolded screen layout. The Torras Q3 Spin Magnetic Case completely eliminates this instability using a Q3 rotation mechanism tested across 30,000 cycles to lock your device at any 90-degree angle. Here is an essential engineering secret. The front frame uses precision interior microdots to anchor securely without sticky tape, saving your finish from messy residue during deep cleanings. Unlike traditional protective covers that require add-on metal rings, this design packs 18 newtons of magnetic hold into an ultra-flush ring that works natively with Qi 2 charging pads and car mounts. While 4x military drop cushioning and automated hinge coverage provide incredible defense, adding screen film layers slightly reduces front panel touch sensitivity for high-speed typing. However, Position 1 unveils the definitive masterpiece of foldable engineering, combining supreme structural impact isolation with an uncompromised full-coverage ecosystem. Now moving to the last one is Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit Case. The most catastrophic foldable damage occurs when microgrit sneaks inside unsealed hinge gaps, grinding directly against delicate interior folding mechanisms during everyday opening. Most protective cases focus entirely on outer corner drops, while completely ignoring how repeated daily flexing loosens frame connections over time. The Spigen Slim Armor Pro S MagFit case solves this structural weakness by utilizing SecuLink technology held together by heat-treated stainless steel pins to lock the front and rear shells permanently in place. Here is a valuable engineering detail you will appreciate. The patented spring mechanism maintains total seal pressure across the spine during every unfold, effectively blocking dust intrusion that causes internal grinding. Unlike standard plastic stands that wobble or fail, this design incorporates a Aerospace 6061 aluminum rotating kickstand alongside an N52 MagFit magnetic ring for effortless Qi 2 wireless alignment. The only notable drawback to consider is that the reinforced steel pin assembly adds noticeable weight to your overall daily carry. This comprehensive engineering masterpiece secures top spot by delivering flawless structural isolation, permanent frame stability, and complete mechanical peace of mind for your ultimate foldable investment. So guys, this was the video about the most protective Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra cases ever made. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.